Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand RSP loan creation with 100% participation from the RSP. So that means 0% contribution from merchant. In our previous video, we saw that there was 10% participation from merchant. But in this video, let's understand how we can do 0% participation from merchant. So the process is going to be same, that we are going to search customer, then click loan, select product scheme, then this is the amount for the agreement between merchant and borrower. I click save. Loan 624 is created. Now next loan we have to create with RSP. Even though there is no participation from merchant, but still we'll have to create loan so that we can flow in the same process. So I click loan and select RSP. Now participation is 0, but let's click 1 and create that loan with the same configuration. Click save. Loan 625 is created. Let's go to loan 625 and modify the installment. Probably after some time we can come up with some sort of solution for this, but for now this is how it can be done. So this is the installment created with this option. All right, so now what we are going to do is search loan 624 and then go to RSP and link loan 625, which is created for 0 participation. Update. That loan will be fetched here. Now rebuild that. As soon as we rebuild, you can see that, just click refresh here, that the principal is this one, RSP interest is this, and this is the total, and the differential income for merchant is going to be 800. In previous scenario where it was 10% partnership, it was 720. Here it is 800. Why is it so? Because the agreement between RSP and merchant, it is done with 15% IRR basis. All right. Now, how do we know that? What was the agreement? So let's search RSP, click edit. In group, we can see that this is the rate of interest, 15% yearly IRR. This is the agreement between RSP and merchant. Hence, 1 lakh which was funded by RSP, it was on this agreement, and hence the installments are created according to this. Whereas this amount was given to borrower by merchant with this agreement, that is 18% yearly for 10 months on flat, and that installment is created here. So there will be a difference between this installment amount and the RSP's participation, which is going to be 800, and this is the differential income for the merchant. All right, I hope you understood this concept. In case anything, please write in the comment box so that I can update accordingly. Now, important factor is when this amount is paid by borrower, just click receive as a normal process. Loan number 624, so that installment is received here, and then pay this installment amount to RSP. In next video I am going to explain that. When RSP is going to settle, the settlement is going to happen in loan number 625, and hence receive the only differential amount because there was no participation, so just receive this amount. When you receive this amount, just go to summary and you can see how these ledgers are set up.